Hey folks, this is Grandma from the channel Fun with Grandma here with a couple of tips to help you make bigger and better tips if you're out there hustling doing Postmates, Uber Eats, Grub Hub, and all the others. To all my fabulous hustlers, I say keep on hustling and make that money. Now, people want to get their food as hot as possible. Otherwise, they would just be ordering sandwiches. So here are some guaranteed ways to make sure that you show your customers you care about delivering hot food that's delivered safe and correct, because that's going to get you bigger tips. First tip: do you own a stapler? Of course you do. If you don't, go to Dollar Tree and Family Dollar and get you one. Dollar Tree will run you $1, Family Dollar maybe 2 or 3. See this bag? It's pretty self-explanatory. Keep the hot food hot, keep the cold food cold. These are sold at Walmart for a whopping $1. That's right, you don't have to go broke buying expensive boxes to keep your food hot and safe. This baby is $1. It's huge. Opens up. It's insulated to keep everything in it the way it's supposed to. Hot food's hot, cold food's cold. That's pretty simple, right? A stapler, $2. A bag, $1. You can pretty much find these in most supermarkets also, and the prices will vary, but for sure you're not going to find it cheaper than $1 at Walmart. Another way you can keep food safe is when you pick up, and most restaurants are supposed to have stickers on the food when you pick up. A lot of times they forget, they're too busy, or they just don't care. So you can request that they put the stickers on and say, can I just have some stickers to seal the food up? And they'll give it to you, no problem. Otherwise, that's where the stapler comes in. If they do give you the food and it's just, the open bag where it looks like anybody could have gone in the food, simply take your stapler, staple the bag like so, and then it's just a little bit of insurance to give to your customers to let them know you cared about it enough about their food and their delivery to make sure that it was closed so they know it wasn't tampered with by anyone. Take, for instance, these stickers. These are the ones that Burger King puts on their bags when you pick up. Now, a lot of times they forget, and I'll have to ask them, you just slap that sticker on there? And if they say they're out or something, which of course they're not, I'll just take my trusty stapler, staple the bag, and I'm good to go. Hope these tips helped. A lot of my friends, I ran this by them, and they said for sure a lot of their tips have increased because the customers were I guess, impressed that they cared enough to make sure their bags were sealed. So just try it out and see what happens. What's the worst thing? You make more money? This is Grandma from Fun with Grandma. Keep on hustling, and I hope you make that money.